Hello, my lovely friends. I am super obsessed with these little things. So these two are the Hobonichi's weekly supplement that they have for people using A6. And then when it's the A6 Hobonichi, there's no weekly and only monthly and daily. So they developed these little ones for that purpose. These are very small. I can hold it in my hand like easily. And I mean, for me, one thing, a lot of time for me to consider what to use, the portability, I think eventually wins. So these two are super portable. They are so slim, also very slim, and just want to adjust the light. Very slim and very portable. Okay, it's tiny. That's my hand. And just give me another perspective of how small this is. Passion Planners daily. Okay, it's the small size. Okay, Passion Planners daily, and this is the supplement. Okay, and I usually would just stuck that inside and carry it like that. How amazing it is, right? Okay, now back to the supplement. Okay, oh, the lighting is crazy. Hope that helps. Would this be better? This is really driving me banana, the lighting. Anyway, I'm gonna do this. All right, so you may see I have two supplements here. Originally I bought this one for 2023, right? It's almost the end of the year, the fourth quarter, and because how nice it feels in my hand, I went to get another one. Now I feel like probably each year I will need to buy two of them. Okay, here is why. Now let me just give you a quick flip through of my 2022. Given that I started the last quarter of start using this last quarter of 2022 this year. Okay, so just decorate some. For this one, the only thing else you have is just yearly page. Okay, one yearly page, and then the rest are all weekly. Okay, and to me, using a weekly by itself, it's giving me a challenge of truly for the true planning purpose, because for me, I'm using this one for plan like real planning. And when we do real planning, I feel only a weekly view is not enough. A lot of time I need to have a monthly view so that I can see what are the days I'm super busy, what are the days I'm not. And I also like to calculate for more better planning. Like, let's say for the fourth quarter, right? I want to see how many flexible days that I have. These are the days I'm fully within my control, that I can decide how to spend these, so I can use a monthly calendar to count. You know, I teach on the Thursday, so Thursday all gone, and then I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday I usually do something else, so most of the time it's not really free. But I have more flexibility of Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes I'll have full day appointment of doing things, you know, obligations, and then I will count later, and I find for November I have 9 working days, and I have my plan to do something. Then, you know, I want to take a test. There are I think 27 chapters for me to review, so within 9 working days, that gives me a rough understanding that each day I need to review 3 chapters, right? So for better planning, I really do need to have a monthly view, but this one doesn't have monthly view. And I don't like to use another planner just for the monthly view, because this one is just so portable. I can tuck it in anywhere I want. And I also still very enjoying writing in this paper, tomorrow paper. Really enjoying it. The paper quality is the kind that I love very much. Previously, when I use Hobonichi Week, I feel the sticker seemed like a problem with the stickers, because I feel like as soon as I lay the sticker down, I cannot remove it right away, because sometimes you want to make sure all, like I most of the time like to have stickers nicely positioned, and but it's not the case for this one, so which is giving me more reason to use this to the most extent, right? Fully use this. So I decide to, hey, let me just draw in, monthly for myself. And because I start in the October, I start using this in October something. Over here probably, yeah, October 20, what's this? This is still this somewhere October, or end of, I would say probably end of September. Yeah, end of September, end of September. So I actually really do have all these pages that if I stick to only use the weekly as the way designed, I'll have a lot of pages empty. So I decide, sometimes I use this to do my daily log, especially when a very busy day. I like to write down exactly what I do to the point, like every minute. So that, sometimes you have this feeling that, oh, after a whole day of busy working, what did I do? I don't remember anything. So I want to keep myself on track by doing this. And this is only be done on super busy day. If it's not super busy, I won't do something like that. So I'm using some pages for that, but I still have a lot of pages left. So I decided to draw in a monthly calendar for myself. And it's not that difficult at all. It's actually quite soothing to do this. I feel I really enjoy doing this. So I did October, and the tag I just used Avery removable tag. I fall in love with those Avery removable tag. They are just so practical. So I did October, November, and September, because these are the months left for this year for me to use here. And with this thought of possible, draw in my own monthly views, because that's what's missing from this, right? I decide to also draw or create monthly calendar for January 2023, February 2023, and March 2023. And I decide, instead of moving to 2023 planner, when January comes, I actually will stay here, and I will use, and I happen, I'm just looking the matching aspect. Let me show you what I mean. So when you open 2023's calendar, January 2023 first day start on Sunday. For 2022 calendar, May also start on Sunday. So I'm going to use May and June, and I probably need to redate July. Use these 3 months to replace January, February, and March of 2023. This way I can fully use up this book, because I love the paper. I really love the paper. I don't think it's gonna make too much difference in terms of, how I feel, whether it's moving into a new book or not. So these 3 months I'm gonna start from, but definitely I will replace this number to use, excuse me, use either stickers or something. These things can be easily covered up. I find some of the Happy Planner stickers perfect for that, to cover up the top of the, the month. So I'm going to use those 3 months here. And so I will leave those months open until 2023 happen again. And then I will still have some pages left for me to do occasional crazy logging, crazy detail logging for myself. And some notes, you know. And I have at the end those few pages. I use them as the something maybe list, and I find out this way I can keep everything planning related stuff all in this little tiny book, and I can stuck this anywhere I want. You know, I have a daily here. I can put that inside of my daily. I do use a daily. This one is I've been using quite a lot already. If you want me to do a flip through, I can do that for you. Just let me know. I can stuff it anywhere. I can put it in my purse, no problem. Anywhere, anything, because it's just so small. It's smaller than A6. And then it's because I will use those 3 months, right? January, February, March in the 2022 book. So which free up 3 months of pages here. Then I can use those 3 months of pages, use them to create monthly calendar. Then I will be all set for the 9 months of 2023 with a tiny book like this, having both monthly and weekly. Isn't that amazing? So that's my plan, and so far this is working really good. As you can see, I even I know eventually I will dive in this what's that called, rabbit hole of fountain pen. Yeah, I did purchase some fountain pens, some crazy inks, but the anyway, I stopped my fountain pen obsession. I'm not really crazy upset, but I will stop my purchasing these fountain pen stuff right there. But it's fun though, using fountain pen to write in this paper, so there you go. I hope this video is helpful. I'm so proud of myself that I finally figured out how to utilize this super handy book, and feel like to share with you. Okay, I hope this is helpful. If so, please give me a like, and leave your comments if you have any, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.